So what?
So what?
So what?
She's a kid.
So what? I'm not a little calf anymore, so what?
I gave her my word, Warner.
So what?
So what? We could have had some fun for old time's sake.
You're on TV, bro.
So what? You keep saying that.
So what? It's my life!
I can't trust you anymore.
So what?
Julie's father has a retarded brother. So what?
He's not the gardener, is he?
These girls don't want to be with me. They want to be with the next guy.
So what? The road to the next guy leads through you.
Well, it's afternoon. You've been sleeping all morning.
So what?
You have been drooling over her ever since you first saw her picture. So what? I'm not going to apologize for letting nature take its course here.
Listen, you violated 3 federal laws when you beat up Shaw's Ferrari.
So what?
I lied to him. I basically kidnapped the man.
So what? You're obviously totally in love with him.
Let's go. No huddle.
No back seat.
So what? Get in the car.
If you get in an accident, the airbag will hurt me.
There will always be fear.
So what? As long as one child believes, we will be here to fight fear.
This isn't the piano, right?
That's it.
It ain't a Steinway.
So what?
Dr. Shirley only plays on Steinway brand pianos. It's in his written contract.